This is a quick video on a Nissan Qashqai 2009. Location of the pollen filter. What you have to do is remove this cover from there. You just pull it off, get your hand behind and just pull it off. It's all just clips. Once you removed it, you need to unplug that pipe from there, so you got a bit of movement, and that's where it is. You take that cover off, and the pollen filter is just in there. There you go, right in there. That's it, guys. Cover is nice and simple. Just pull that down, will come off. Alright, thank you, and watch more of my videos, subscribe, comment below, ask me for any more help, guys. Thank you, bye.